For our first exercise here, what we're going to do is evaluate it. So what we're going to do is evaluate the expressions and find the two numbers. If you notice here, we have 1 plus or minus the square root of 49. So what I'm going to do is break this into two expressions. 1 plus the square root of 49 and 1 minus the square root of 49. So this means 1 plus 7, which equals 8. And this means 1 minus 7, which is negative 6. So our two answers are 8 and negative 6. So here we have 8 plus or minus 2 over 5. So I'm going to break this up and go 8 plus 2 over 5 and 8 minus 2 over 5. So 8 plus 2 is 10 over 5, which is 2. And 8 minus 2 is 6 over 5. And you can reduce 6 over 5 to 1 1/5 if you want. So here, our two answers are 2 and 1 1/5. Or you could even write that as a decimal if you want. Now what I'm going to do here first is simplify under here. So we have plus or minus the square root of negative 5 squared is 25 minus 4 times 4 times 1. Well, 4 times 4 is 16. So again, this is plus or minus the square root of 25 minus 16 is 9. So here we have the positive square root of 9 and the negative square root of 9. So this ends up being 3 and negative 3. So now here we have 18 plus or minus the square root of 36 divided by 2 times 3. So this ends up being negative 18 plus the square root of 36 is 6 over 2 times 3 is 6. And then here we're going to have the minus version, so negative 18 minus the square root of 36, or minus 6 over 6. And negative 18 plus 6 is negative 12 over 6. And reducing negative 12 divided by 6, that's negative 2. So here we have negative 2. Then negative 18 minus 6 is negative 24 over 6, which is negative 4.